On March 6, 2025, SpaceX's Starship spacecraft experienced another setback. The massive rocket exploded just minutes after liftoff. This marked the second failed test flight of the year for the ambitious project. The launch took place at SpaceX's Boca Chica facility in Texas at approximately 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. The Starship, designed to be fully reusable, is a critical component of SpaceX's plans for Mars colonization. This latest setback casts a shadow on the ambitious timeline set by Elon Musk, SpaceX's CEO. Musk has publicly stated his goal of landing humans on Mars by the end of this decade. With each failure, the technical challenges involved in developing such a complex spacecraft become increasingly apparent. The explosion serves as a stark reminder of the inherent risks associated with space exploration. Despite the setback, SpaceX remains committed to its ultimate goal of making humanity a multi-planetary species. The Starship is not just another rocket, it represents a radical departure from traditional spacecraft design. Standing at a towering 403 feet tall, it is the most powerful launch vehicle ever built. Its reusability is a key factor in SpaceX's plans to make space travel more affordable and accessible. The ultimate goal is to use Starship for crewed missions to Mars, transporting humans and cargo to the Red Planet. SpaceX envisions Starship as a game-changer, enabling the establishment of a permanent human presence on Mars. The rocket is designed to carry up to 100 people and all the necessary supplies for such an endeavor. This latest test flight was intended to push the Starship prototype to its limits. The plan included deploying mock satellites, performing complex re-entry maneuvers, and testing the spacecraft's ability to land safely in the Indian Ocean. While the failure is a significant setback, it provides valuable data that will inform future design iterations. SpaceX operates on a principle of rapid, iterative development. This approach embraces failure as a necessary part of the learning process. Each test flight, successful or not, yields valuable data that allows engineers to identify and address flaws in the design. Following the previous Starship explosion in January 2025, SpaceX implemented a series of upgrades. These included modifications to the fuel lines, adjustments to propellant temperatures, and the addition of new vents and a purge system. For this latest test, even more upgrades were incorporated, demonstrating SpaceX's commitment to continuous improvement. However, the repeated failures of Starship test flights have raised concerns about public safety. Debris from the explosions has landed in populated areas, including the Turks and Caicos Islands. The Federal Aviation Administration has launched investigations into these incidents to assess the risks and ensure the safety of future launches. Despite the recent setback, the dream of reaching Mars remains very much alive. SpaceX's ambitious plans have ignited the imaginations of people around the world, rekindling a passion for space exploration that had waned in recent decades. The development of Starship has also spurred advancements in rocket technology and spaceflight capabilities. The lessons learned from these test flights will undoubtedly benefit future space exploration missions, whether they are undertaken by SpaceX or other organizations. While the timeline for reaching Mars may be delayed, the long-term implications of SpaceX's efforts are undeniable. Through their bold vision and unwavering determination, SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in space travel. The dream of humans setting foot on Mars may still be years away, but it is a dream that is now closer than ever before.